power to you. As already promised that if someone is like अगर कोई किसी को अपनी सेशन कोई लेना है खुद से तो वो संडे को इस दौरान ले सकता है. And that's the reason like there were two participants who have shown their interest but might be due to some reason they just discontinued. I mean they just like उन्होंने अपना जो इंटरेस्ट था वो उन्होंने आगे फॉरवर्ड नहीं किया. सो आई थॉट लाइक माइट बी ड्यू टू सम हेजिटेशन. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ मी ओनली. तो इसीलिए जस्ट एक स्मॉल सेशन जो कि ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा मैं आपका. तो एक सेशन ऑर्गेनाइज किया पावर टू यू जिसमें हम बहुत कुछ देखेंगे और इसमें मैं आपकी बहुत सारी स्टीरियोटाइप्स भी तोड़ूंगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्टली आज संडे है एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर ज्यादातर लोगों का ये होता है कि हाँ मैं मूवी देखूंगा. प्लानिंग से होते हैं वो मूवी देखेंगे नेटफ्लिक्स पे, अमेजोन प्राइम पे या फिर और कहीं पे. या फिर हो सकता है कि आप सैटरडे नाइट में लेट सोए हो ताकि कल लेट उठोगे इसीलिए आप कल रात में लेट सोए हो अपने सोशल मीडिया इसमें. और आज सुबह लेट उठे हो ऑलमोस्ट अपने अलार्म को स्नूज करके. So and then too I really appreciate all you guys who took the initiative for your self learning and you have connected at 2:30. Let's have a great round of applause for you all guys. And मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि काफी जन बहुत सारे जॉब पे, कोई डॉक्टर है, कोई नर्स है, कोई पायलट है, बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स भी है. बट फिर भी चैलेंज ये है कि सब लोग अपने काम से खुश नहीं है. 90 मेरे को लगता है 90% से ज्यादा लोग, अगर मैं सिर्फ इंडिया में बात करूं तो वो खुश नहीं है अपने कामों से. क्यों? और आश्चर्य की बात तो यह है कि वो नाखुश तो है ही, साथ में सामने कुछ और दिखाते और पीछे कुछ और है. सामने दिखाएंगे एकदम खुश है और पीछे उनके मन में कुछ और चलता रहेगा. और यही नहीं, और एक चीज, हमारे दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीजें चलती होती है. किसी को वीडियो बनाना है, किसी को कुछ काम करना है, किसी को कुछ करना है, किसी को कुछ करना है. सोचते तो हम सब है बट करते नहीं है. चैलेंजेस ये नहीं कि आपको बहुत कुछ करना है. चैलेंज ये है कि आप करना तो बहुत कुछ चाहते हो बट बहुत लिमिटेड रिसोर्स. मतलब आप सोचते हो कि आपके खुद के माइंडसेट की वजह से आप, सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है पहले तो आप उसे मैनेज नहीं कर पाते हो. और बहुत सारी चीजें आप करना चाहते हो बट आपको वो चीज आती नहीं है. तो और बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे भी है कि भाई अपने सोसाइटी क्या बोलेगी. सो दैट द रीजन आई थॉट कि ये सब चैलेंजेस हो सकते हैं. और चैलेंज ये है कि कोई सीखने के लिए आप अपने लिए अकाउंटेबल ही नहीं हो. आपको करना तो है लेकिन आप खुद के लिए अकाउंटेबल नहीं हो. तो हम सबको मालूम है कि हम जिस एजुकेशन सिस्टम में पढ़े हैं वो डिफेक्टिव थी, राइट. इसीलिए तो अभी का जो एजुकेशन सिस्टम है दैट हैज बीन चेंज्ड. डू यू एग्री गाइस? सो इसीलिए वी नीड टू चेंज. जैसे कि हम अपने डिफेक्टिव एजुकेशन सिस्टम में पढ़े हैं. सो इट इज वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड टू लर्न, टू educate ourselves, to grow our learning. And not only that, लर्निंग तो एक इंपॉर्टेंट हिस्सा है. आप कहीं सारे दरबार में जाते हो, वहां से सीख के तो आते हो बट इंप्लीमेंट कहाँ करोगे? इंप्लीमेंट करना भी तो कहीं जरूरी है. सीख सीख के कितना सीख लोगे? बचपन से लेके अभी तक सीख ही रहे थे. स्कूलिंग में सीखा 12 साल, 12 साल के बाद फिर 3 से 4 साल अपने ग्रेजुएशन में सीखा. उसे इंप्लीमेंट कहाँ किया आपने? अगर आप मैं इंजीनियर की बात करूं आज की, अगर उसे एक वायर और एक बल्ब भी दे दूं ना तो वो नहीं लगा पाएगा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंजीनियर की. और सिविल इंजीनियर की बात करो तो आप सड़कों पर सर देख ही रही हो. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे फील्ड है जहां पे बहुत सारी चीजें जहां पे आपने सीखी तो है. अभी भी कई सारे दरबार चल रहे हैं, कई सारी वेबिनार चल रहे हैं बट हम सीख तो रहे हैं बट इंप्लीमेंट कहाँ करेंगे? मेडिटेशन के बारे में बताता हूँ. मेडिटेशन इज टोटली डिफरेंट थिंग. जहाँ पे आप सीखते भी हो और इम्प्लीमेंट भी करते हो, जहाँ पे आप साथ में ही आप सीख भी रहे होते हो और आप इम्प्लीमेंट भी करते हो, है कि नहीं? जहाँ पे आप फिजिकली प्रैक्टिस भी कर रहे हो, इसीलिए वो काफी इफेक्टिव हो जाती है। और बाकी चीजें कहाँ करोगे? ये मैं सिर्फ एक ही चीज के लिए नहीं, किसी भी चीज के लिए, एनीथिंग यू वांट टू लर्न, whatever you have learned, already learned, if you implement that thing, then things will grow. And that's the reason I always say, learn the thing, learn like a student, implement like a soldier, and grow like a king. So this was the small session which I thought, and let's see, like it was a very much small session. I thought like let's come up with this sessions. Like किसी ने चालू तो नहीं किया था अभी तक, but I thought like हाँ, लोगों को अपनी खुद के कोर्स तो लॉन्च करने, बट लॉन्च करके करोगे क्या जब आपको बोलना ही नहीं आएगा लोगों के सामने? सो आई थॉट लाइक लेट्स प्रैक्टिस विथ ईयर ओनली. 4 जन के सामने अगर आप नहीं बोल पा रहे तो 80 लोगों के सामने कैसे बोल पाओगे, राइट? So I thought like let's give a power to you on your hand. आपका डिसीजन, आपकी टॉपिक्स एंड आपका सिस्टम. So this is a small topic which I took with the help of this PPT. So let's start with the feedback. अगर कुछ हो तो बता दीजिए. Wherever I can improve or something, anything. Rashmi ma'am.
Oh, okay, yeah. Good morning, Mohit. You are doing a great job. So that's very nice. Means I'm really impressed. Yeah, I will take a relaxation or meditation, this Sunday. So no worries. But the problem is participants. Sometimes there is no participants. Now also only we are only 6-7 people.
It usually happens, मैम, क्योंकि अगर मैं बड़े बड़े स्पीकर्स लोगों की बात करूं, so what happens usually, like people have got bored because they have been continuously going through the different webinars, seminars, and they are still at home, so lot of things comes to their mind. So these things happen, so they need something interesting. Like अभी webinar से what is happening is we try to give वो feeling नहीं आती, बोलते हैं ना. So that's the one thing which is very much required. That's the limitation on this online system. So people have started giving. People have started trying to come up with new ideas, with new techniques to give that feeling.
Yes.
जो होना चाहिए, right? So that need to be taken off. So वैसे.
No, that is very good. Actually idea. Instead of calling outside, if easily we'll get some guests, that is privilege. But if you're not, then we will share our screen ourselves. So everybody will present their own lesson plan or own things, own topic for a few minutes. That will be great idea.
रविंद्र सर, आप कुछ एरियाज ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट, कुछ फीडबैक देना चाहोगे सेशन पे?
We'll learn from each other.
Sir, I think you are talking on mute.
Hi Mohit.
Yes sir. एक छोटा सा सेशन लिया था 6-7 पीपीटी के, मतलब प्रेजेंटेशन.
It's amazing. देखो, छोटा सा नहीं होता है. आप किसी भी गाड़ी की बात करो, किसी भी मोटरसाइकिल की बात करो, व्हीकल की बात करो, एरोप्लेन की बात करो. एरोप्लेन के इंजन को भी छोटे से इग्निशन देना होता है और उसके बाद वो फ्लाइट लेता है. मोटरसाइकिल में भी एक किक मारनी पड़ती है, छोटी सी किक होती है, लेकिन वो 1000 माइल्स चलती है. दिस इज ऑल अबाउट किकिंग योरसेल्फ, and that is most important thing. Once you will kick, it will start. Once it will start, it can travel to the miles and miles of your journey. So kudos for your action taking. Kudos for each and everything. Implementation से ये पहले जो होता है वो kick होती है, and what that you are doing, wonderful. Go ahead.
Thank you sir. Thank you. Uba ma'am. she is the one who shows who showed the interest for this type of sessions. But might be she was very much busy with something else. So yes, Uma ma'am, would you like to say something? I thought
Actually,
like
I
you.
joined late today.
Yeah. I'll just share the
I joined
PPT
late.
in the group.
Yeah, okay.
And
So, very good effort by you. Congratulations. And the morning also, I saw that you have posted about your LinkedIn profile and how all your videos are being seen by many people. And definitely, it's a dream come true for you. You have told that in your younger days, you wanted people to search your name. And now, definitely, when we see search Mohit, we will know who is Mohit. I never knew who's Mohit, but today I know universe has connected you with me for some purpose. So hearty congratulations to you. And this is a great platform, the in-house platform which we have got. We can exchange whatever ideas we have, whatever thoughts we have with each other and grow. Definitely, like Rashmi ji said, we can learn and grow from each other. And hearty congratulations to you, Mohit. You are an inspirer to all of us. Keep it up. Let us all emulate you and share whatever little that we know with each one of us. Thank you.
Thank you. ललिता मैम और रतीश सर भी शायद से बहुत लेट ज्वाइन हुए थे. ललिता मैम ज्वाइन हो गए थे. हेलो ललिता मैम.
Congratulations, Mohit. Happy for you. You reached on such platform that we are dreaming. We are dreaming right now कि हम लोग भी ऐसे कभी कुछ करेंगे. And you reached on that platform. Very happy for you. And I joined late. I didn't see what's the PPT and that all going on. But I just seen your pics that 3-4 times where what you're doing actually now. And on that day, some sessions, I regret for that. We are not joining you. We taking so lightly this group and that all. I really regret for that. And I am just really, really very, very sorry for that. As you people are talking that day, I felt very pain. Actually, people taking too much pain for us that one. And we are recognizing it. So I'm really sorry. And I'll go for what my connectivity was so poor. So I didn't see PPT and that all. Mohit, actually, that day very fun pain. Still, I'm in pain. कि अभय सर ने हम लोगों को इतना बोला and that all, and you were same. I think so. That pain you were just also feeling that day. And I request everybody to join at the same again at 9:90 or 10, whatever it's there. We'll go for the same schedule. I request everybody to go for that same routine that we want that way. And what's the topic actually? Power of something?
It was a small session, ma'am, where I have given a small session, 15-minute session. So the thing is, the motto of this session was just to start a kickstart for a lot of people, like how you can deliver your session. Like you have to come in front of people. Like if you want to speak in front of 80 people, 100 people, 1,000 people, you should able to speak in. You should start with a small start. I mean, with the less number of people. Where if you do the mistake, you can rectify yourself. So that's the reason I thought like let's give a platform to the people on Sundays afternoon where people will come share their idea and there would be only one session jahan pe like people want to launch their own courses. So start with this. So that's the reason. I mean, I just took this small start and just to motivate. Just the motto of this session was to give like so that people will come up on this Sunday and deliver their own content. So yes, that was the only reason.
Thank you so much. Actually, I like this one. Still, your voice is cracking. My connectivity actually very poor today, and still your voice that cracking that I'm not getting actually what's all there. And lots of congratulations again. And you please carry that. I'll just able to listen. Then I'll just be here. Otherwise, please don't mind that one. कि हम लोगों ने ऐसे किया. And the previous also, I regret for that. Whenever your sessions, whenever that comes, anything that I'm going to join now. Whatever that work and whatever that all actually loads of
Ma'am, you are talking on mute, I think.
So please carry on. You call the next person.
The thing is, it was it was a single
Okay.
side session where we all joined, and the PPT was like I have created almost 10 PPTs, and I just deliver the content. So that a small session of 15 minutes I have taken, so that people would get motivated, like they should come up with the small thing, whatever the content they have. They can just come over here, they can just deliver their content so that they will get confidence within themselves. So that was the motto of this session. Now I think I just thought like it would take almost 15-20 minutes of the session, and then next 10 minutes would be the feedback or something. Anyone wants to add on something, then like that. Hello, Rajesh sir.
Good afternoon, all of you. सर आपका टॉपिक है कि मतलब लर्निंग इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. तो रियल में वेरी मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट. आई एम आल्सो ट्राइंग टू लर्न एक्चुअल अबाउट कम्युनिकेशन. मेरे को अभी भी डर लगता है कि किसी के सामने जाके I want to share my topic or anything, but every time I don't know actual there is very issue with me. I can't deliver at that time. I don't understand, but I learned from this group where many times I read their other sentence topic, and that sentence to give me lots of things to learn. And actually I want to speak more, but I don't know. But whenever I am trying to speak, that time I don't know. All words were gone. I don't know. But sometimes I also read all topics. Many actual day-to-day no one shared lot of things. But and also my time is not matched to